Baselining project schedule. Let's see how you can set a project baseline as a snapshot of your original schedule, so that as you adjust the schedule during execution phase, you can see how the project is doing compared to the original schedule. Once you have the original schedule ready, click at the Baseline Tools button. The Baseline Tools form will appear on your screen. On the left half of the form with the title Baseline, activate the Show option. Under the section Set Baseline For, click All, then click Yes. The baseline bar in light gray color will appear beneath each of the Gantt chart bar. And as the project proceeds and the schedule get adjusted, you can easily compare it against the original schedule in gray bars. To hide the baseline bars, open the Baseline Tools form and uncheck the Show option. To delete the baseline, open the Baseline Tools form, and under the section Clear Baseline For, click at the All button, then click Yes. If you need to set or update a baseline for specific items, first make sure to highlight the targeted items below the task column. Open the Baseline Tools form, and under the section Set Baseline For, click at the Selected Items button. Then click Yes.